Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to review the APA hotel behind me in Chiyoda. Let's take a look. This is actually a very thin and skinny tower, probably 13, 14 stories. Very narrow. Yeah, the building footprint is definitely very small. Here is the hotel lobby. And they have like automatic doors. Ice machine, a microwave, and a vending machine in the lobby. Okay, so we are off the escalator. My room is at 409. Where is it? Okay, right next to the exit stair. Let's see the room. Wow, it's quite nice in here. So for the hotels in Asia, you have to insert the room key. This is the entry. So we can see that this room is actually not big. It's like a small room, but it looks like a full-size bed. I think it might be an upgrade because I originally ordered a twin-size bed. So let's see what amenity do they have. So this is like a working desk, some magazines, a pajama, hair dryer, remote for the TV. There's a digital clock, Japanese origami. This should be the thermostat and all the controls. Looking good. Let's take a look at the window outside. So I think this window is openable, but the view outside, it's just another building and you can see a little road on the other side. So not too good, but I think it's super quiet. And this is the TV. And they already set up the language for me because I'm Chinese. Let's check out the bathroom. Okay, so the bathroom, you actually have to mind your step. And there's a little toilet, a small sink, and this should be a tub, which looks very different from the one in America. This is the shower head. So the bathroom is actually very small, but very functional. You see, they have like cups, towels, all the little amenities. I don't know what are these, like toothbrush, razor, what else? Q-tips. And these are the conditioner, body soap, and shampoo. So it looks extremely clean. Like you don't even see a hair on the floor. I also found it's very interesting to play with this faucet because this actually connects to the sink, the tub, and also the shower. So, and you can also set like temperature in here. Right now it looks like 40 Celsius. You can make it hotter and cooler in here. So this one is a control. So this says like 100 liter. Afterward, it will automatically go back and stop. Quite interesting. So when you want to take a shower, you actually move the little faucet here and put the water in the tub. And for the shower, it's here. So this is like the shower head. Quite interesting, isn't it? And okay, so this is like APA hotel.